Hi everyone, in this video I'll show you how to create custom vector graphics, export it and even design t-shirt logos and even more using this amazing AI tool. So here is the main window and you see you can use it for free and you can have 50 credits daily on daily basis, so it's for about 10 images and every day you will receive new credits, so you will be able to use it for create graphics on an everyday basis. In the free package it's non-commercial use for images, so if you wanted to use those images for selling, you can choose some paid plans. So in the free plan you have 50 free credits, public images and no parallel execution, so only one image at a time, and maximum number of images you'll get it's 2 images. So here is the main window of the tool, and we're gonna to create image first. So what you can see here, it's image dimension. It's like some styles you can use for your images, and you can choose only vectors. For example, color blobs, engraving, and etc. and like these roundish flat icons for infographics, for website design, mosaic style, emotions, and some styles you can also use for vector art and choose whenever you want and test them out so you can see what you will get. This tool also create coloring pages. I'm creating like in line art style, and it give pretty good results for coloring pages as well. So also you can create vector icons for your website, for your projects, and you can choose whenever you want from the styles of icons. Also it creates not only vector but and raster illustrations, so here you can see all styles that are here for now. So we're gonna try vector art and line art, for example. So here you can choose whenever you wanna show text on image or not, and also you can create in color palette here. So basically for vector art I'm choosing like 2 or 3 colors, or you can upload image as an example of your color. So you can upload PNG file here and it will extract color palette. You can like remove colors you don't like and like leave few colors to choose from, and white of course. So here you enter in the prompt. Here you can choose the dimension of your image, so like from really like wide choice. So we can try this one, and here are premium version options, so we can create more images and at a time, but we can choose 1 or 2 images, and all of them are public. So let's try some prompt and create a vector image. So for the first one we will create abstract background, like to see what it gives us, and for backgrounds I prefer this dimension. Let's see what it gives us, and after you created an image, you can easily replace colors on your design and remove background if you want, and download it as PNG or SVG file. So it's like a sample. You can play around here with prompts and with styles. So it's like line art, so it's like geometric shapes, and you can try whenever you want. Also, you can create custom logos for your designs, for your website, for your project, and we will choose some square design for this, and let's try for a coffee cup. You can also add your brand name to this logo, and it will design it perfectly. It's very good with texts. So this is like line art. For the logo we can add black color as well to our palette, and we're gonna change our style. So it's, I believe there was some logos, but no, I can't find it right now, but we can like try this one. It will be more like creative style. So it's like minimalistic abstract logo, and we can try and add some texting. So like this, and we'll see what it gives us. Also, as you can see here, it shows the main colors of image, and you can change them easily, and it will change the whole image for you. So let's wait until it creates, and I'll show you example how to change the colors of generated image. So like this one, I like it a lot. So we can easily change the colors here for our generated image, and background, let's add white, and you can also remove background, so you don't need to edit this image anymore. It's like will be with transparent background, and we can export it like SVG file. So as you can see, it's vector, it's high resolution, like it's cool quality, and a minimalistic logo as we asked for. Let's try and create some t-shirt design. For the t-shirt we can use another dimension, so like cute vector graphic of a cat wearing sunglasses for a t-shirt design. Let's try. You can ask ChatGPT to create some prompts for you, include texting and text style, and it will create some images in this style, and you can also play with it. So we like chose color blob style. You can like try, let's choose vector art and some random color palette, and a white color for the background, and maybe some black color for lines. Okay, let's try. So again, you don't own these images, it's only free version, but you can test it out and then upgrade if you want to sell these designs or use them on t-shirts you sell, and etc, etc. So these are vector images as well, and you can be more specific with your prompts. I'm like showing the examples so you can see how it works. Also, you can create a mockup for your image. You choose a mockup, and you can create mockup photo. So we can choose whenever our image will be placed here. So like this, but let's try and remove background, and we'll see if it will look better on the mockup. Yes, it looks better. we can delete this object. And as you can see, you can create perfect mockups from scratch and place your designs created with this tool. Let's try some icon styles. So I asked for an icon set, and as you can see, some of these images you can use, some of those images don't have sense at all, but also you can be as detailed in your prompt as you want and ask ChatGPT to help you and like create whenever you want. And also we can switch colors here, so from like gray to black and etc, etc. So you can not only create icons one by one, but icon set, beautiful icon set, and download them as SVG file. Also you can use this image and tune it, so like make some variations for it. Choose the dimensions of your image, and also you can create from image, so like something similar you can create. So this is the design of our coffee shop logo, so we can recreate it, so like it will generate something similar to it. So if you like created your logotype and you wanna create icon set in the similar style, you can ask it and create the icons using your original image. So it's like creating a menu, for example, and etc, etc, and all your images will be like here on your project table, so you can like move them, resize them, and like see them all. And you can see I have only 6 points left.
And if you wanna get 200 credits for free with your registration,
for the first time using this tool, you can sign up and use the link in the video description. So let me know if you have any questions, and have a nice day. Thank you for watching.